They are already joined the group. Don't disturb.
Hello.
Murli sir has come back. Hello, hello, hello. Concentrate, concentrate.
Good evening to everybody. Hello, 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 hello. Yesterday we are starting instr is a function. That function through we have to find out position of the character or position of the delimiter or position of the string within given string. Already we are discussing. But unfortunately, this function regularly used a combination in a project side, always inter questions also combination of yes substring and in string. Most regularly these two nested functions wise only they are using. Okay, fine. This is the way I'm telling. Through that one we are telling about one concept only. What is that one? Suppose in a string they are giving particular portion they want means your experienced person means in a future regular expression substring we are using. This is the way now here. But unfortunately today that much of knowledge is not there. That's why how can I means observe it here in a previous class. Anybody attending means screen observe it. This is a table I'm taking. Okay, fine. Now you are only tell me today setting environment. And now here check it out. So now slowly observe it here. This is select star from here table name test. Test is a table. In this test table, I'm asking a what yesterday. Anybody attending a what yesterday class means I'm asking. What I'm asking up to which one? Up to first dot only whatever string is there. First onwards, first character onwards, up to first dot. I want to retrieve the data. How can I? Yesterday you are writing or not? Yes, here. Okay, how can I? Anybody tell me fast? Yesterday already we are discussing this one only. Fast tell me. Now anybody remembering? Yes, very good. Tell me fast. Select because these are inter questions. Select SUB STR of very good. Substring of sorry. SUB STR of substring of yes here first which one? What is the column? Mail ID, comma. Where to start? First character onwards. Where to end? 4 only correct answer, 3 only correct answer. But unfortunately, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 or 100 any characters also there. In that case, generalized way. How can I find out a what? Dot position. Find out a dot position means in string. Yes, in string here mail ID. Okay, fine. Mail ID, comma. Here dot is a position. But a dot position you have to find out means 4 is a what? 4 is a what? So now here yes number in a where in string returns. But unfortunately ABC dot also displayed. That's why yes dot better to use a what? Which one? 4 minus 1 means 3. 100 minus 1 means 99. Like this is there or not? Minus 1 means dot previous character only. ABC. It will be taking a length or not? Yes, here from yes, what is the table? Test is a table. Automatically ABC it will be displayed or not? Anybody attending yesterday class means they have an idea, but unfortunately now I want very good. One fellow is writing already very good. Yes, Giri, you are writing a what? Yes, here Now some fellow is asking only, Ravi, you are asking about instead of dot, can we write directly 3? Why Murlis are struggling like this only? They are thinking that is the wrong side. 3 means, yes, here this is no, I'm not giving the guarantee. These are 3 characters. Here maybe second mail ID. Yesterday I'm telling you not K dot is there. Now here yes, here PQR is there. In that case, how can I? Here 3 we are using means this one up to this one only it will be displayed. It does not display like this only. That's a problem. That's why don't think that only one mail ID, any number of mail ID, generalized way. That is important. Okay. Yesterday, so many fellows are writing this one only, but unfortunately, one fellow Giri is writing a what correctly in a second one. XYZ, anybody trying? After dot onwards, some up to at the rate. Anybody? One fellow is writing very good, correct. Now here maybe you are telling me is great. First dot onwards up to first at the rate data, I want at least you are only tell me. That one you tell me enough. Yes, first dot onwards, first at the rate, that part, whatever parts are there, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, N, A, occasion, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, like this only, anything. Okay, first dot onwards up to first at the rate. That part I want. Anybody guess it? That one you are writing is really great because there is a logic. How can I fast? Tell me, this one you are telling me is really great. Now how can I? This is how can I write means observe it here. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Logic is very important. Okay, now first dot onwards up to first at the rate, not a second dot. Here this is a second dot. First dot onwards up to at the rate. Okay, XYZ I want. How can I just we are writing about, don't write it, one minute only because logic is important. Select. In a part means compared to this one, better regular expression, substring only, that is very easy. But interviewer asking only substring, in-string combination I want, they're asking because you are working or not, check it out purpose. Now here logic is important. So now select which one? Very good. Portion means SUB, STR. Very good. Some fellows are telling, okay. At least half of the thing you are telling also great. Yes, yes. SUB, STR, first parameter is a what? Column name. What is the column name? Mail ID. Very good. Mail ID. Okay, comma. Yes, tell me next. Next, where to start? Dot onwards here. Here, dot onwards. Dot onwards. Dot means maybe any number of characters also there after dot. Okay. This dot position we have to find out. Very good. One fellow is telling a what? Really great. Yes, dot position we have to find out means in string. Very good. Correct. But in string returns a number is output, but substring second parameter is a number matching or not. Very good. Yes, so many fellows are telling. Correct. Very interesting. Now here. Yes, mail ID. Now mail ID. Comma. Very good. Which position? Dot position. Very good. Correct. But unfortunately, not only dot. Yes, dot plus 1, I think. Why? Because dot after onwards, I want to retrieve the data. X. Suppose here, this is now here yesterday, K is there. Dot up after that one. PQR like this only. It will be there. And now at the rate like this only. For example. And now after dot means after dot P onwards. That's why first we have to find out in string through this dot position. This dot position plus 1. Okay, na? Yes, yes. This dot position plus 1. Then only X onwards. Then only P onwards. Okay, na? Very good. Some fellows are telling. Very good. Now plus 1. Correct. Okay, that's a plus 1, minus 1. Those things don't worry. Why? Because that is a what logic. Number plus 1. Next character. Number minus 1. That is a previous character. Okay. Yeah. Very good. Now, comma here. You are telling me is great. Fast. Tell me. Very good. Substring last parameter also number. But what is that number? Dot onwards. Dot onwards. How many characters? Now very good. Dot onwards. 1, 2, 3. Okay. In this case. 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Okay, fine. Now, how we are getting a what? That 4 means this total characters minus up to dot, then automatically these 4 are not. Yes, here. Up to at the rate, this total character index minus up to dot only, then automatically XYZ at the rate is there or not? up to at the rate, in this case, minus up to dot, then automatically 1, 2, 3, 4 or not? Yes, here like that only. That's why, yes, first find out a what? Up to at the rate means up to at the rate, how many number of characters are there? Minus suppress a what? Suppress a what? These are all up to dot only. Then automatically this length is there or not? Yes, here. Okay, that's the logic. Observe it here. Yes, whatever character is there in a find out that the total length minus previous character length, then automatically that length of the where after dot only, okay, it will be displayed or not. That's why two things I'm writing. Maybe first time newcomer, their imagination. And now anybody telling logic? First, you have to find out a what? At the rate position minus dot position, then automatically these characters are not. Yes, very good. Now tell me. Now here. Very good. INSTR, very good. One fellow Giri is writing a work. Very good, correct. The same logic. So now INSTR, mail ID, and some other fellow is also writing. Very good. First time writing is great. Because big syntax, this one. Now at the rate, very good. So now we have to find out at the rate and difficulty also, all the things we are learning, that is better. Okay, now yes, here. But unfortunately, first at the rate, second at the rate, like this means here 1, 1, 1, 2, like this only they are using. But only one at the rate is there. I am not using the last two parameters. Now minus. Now which one? INSTR, very good. Minus INSTR, here mail ID, very good, mail ID, comma. Yes, very good. Dot position up to dot. At the rate minus dot. Okay, na? Yes, very good. At the rate is here. Observe here. First onwards at the rate minus dot means here remaining is there 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't want 4. This up to at the rate PQR only I want. Here XYZ only I want. In that case, we are using a what? Which one? Minus 1. Very good. This one, so many fellows are doesn't know. Minus 1. Why? Because now I don't want to display at the rate only. Okay, na? Yes, minus 1. Okay, na? Yes, here, very good. Here, all are writing like this. No. From what the table is there? Test here. Alias name you are using also your own wish. Now I'm copying this one. Copy. There is a logic. Slowly you are thinking means yes. Observe it here. X, Y, Z. That's why you are good at what? In-string, substring syntax, and also logically you are thinking means any number of queries also very easy in this case. But commanding knowledge is required. What happened? You have an idea. Then that's why first we are learning a subject. Then automatically this is very easy one. X, Y, Z. Next, gmail.com. You are only trying it. Okay, in your home only. Okay, that is better. You are trying your own logic means you are remembering. Okay, yeah. Write it this one. Very good. 3 fellows are writing correct. Logic, totally logic this one. But not a difficult, I think. First manually you are thinking. Okay, yeah. Write it this one. That's why anybody giving a string, any portion they want means commanding knowledge is required. Substring, in-string combination they are asking means like that. Otherwise, your experience means regular expression, substring only in a feature. Fast write it. Understood? First logically you are observe it, then only technically write it. First logically you are not good means confusing. Completed? Understood? Substring, in-string is combination, very important. In-string returns a position of the character, position of the delimiter, position of the string within a given string. Substring returns a what? Portion. Okay, yeah. But both the functions are syntax based. Last 2 parameters are optional in a where, in a in-string also. That is 4 parameters also. The last 2 parameters are optional. That is numbers. Okay. In substring also last 2 parameters are numbers are not that much of time we are spending. Why slowly repeated means substring in-string combination interview question. 60 or 70% of the interviewers asking. 60 or 70% of the case interviewer asking. That much powerful. Okay, yeah. You are only your own way you are trying it. Okay, yeah. Now next. how much importance substring and string, same level of importance is there in every database. Translate, now translate, comma, replace something is there. Now here translate, comma, replace is there. Most powerful. Now this is also mandatory to know every person in every database. But unfortunately, before we are going to start that one, I am telling about an unimportant concept, CL trim, trim. Unimportant means regularly not using only. But why I am using means that one and replace is related concepts are there, that one. Okay. Yes. Then LPAD, RPAD also. Now write it. L trim. L trim. L trim. Hello. It is audible. Hello. Hello. Yeah. One fellow Gaurav is telling a water not coming a voice. They're telling no. Yes, it's coming. Now L trim. What is L trim means? Now check it out. Actually, syntax based only. I am writing a water. Trim is what? Trim is what? Removing. Okay, fine. Everyone knows. L means what? Left side. Very good. Everyone knows very easy way. Now left side, some characters are removed. What is that one? I will tell you. Now check it out. Don't write it only first interesting purpose. Practically, I'm telling. Suppose select, don't write, select L trim of here. Smith is the employee is there. Okay, it's in your table. That one I'm changing only my interest purpose. SS, MI, SS, TH, SS, I'm giving. Now just here, Smith is the employee. In that employee, I'm adding a what? SS, something. Okay, my interest purpose I'm giving. SS, MI, SS, TH, SS, something I'm writing. Okay, fine. Now I want to remove the what? Yes, from this string only. Trim is remove or not? Yes, here from testing means what? Dual. What the output? Maybe guess it. Anybody guess it? Very good. So many fellows are guessing. Now here yes is remove means this one. These SS also removed. These SS also removed. These SS also removed. They are thinking that is the wrong one. That is next only some other function is there. Okay, na? Yeah. So now, but unfortunately, this is L trim, not a trim. L trim. L trim is left side specified character. Whatever specified character is there, that is left side is there, that is also removed. Then only MISSTHSS. Very good. One fellow is telling correct. Now here MISSTHSS. All S remove means I will tell you. Okay, so all specified character string I want to remove means next only. But first write it. It is used to remove. It is used to remove specified characters on the left side of the given string. Okay, na? It is used to remove specified characters on the left side of the given string. Okay, na? But unfortunately, totally syntax is different, but that syntax purpose only I'm telling, otherwise very easy. Now your first syntax write it, then I'm explaining. L trim of here column name or string, write it, column name or string only, comma, column name, write it. Here curly braces, they are giving a Oracle Corporation. In that one curly braces, set of characters they are giving. Why they are giving an I'm telling only first. Now here write it like this. L trim of column name, comma, curly braces, set of characters. Okay, na? But what is this one? I will explain. But before that one, this small example, write it. Why? Because this example through in a feature replace, we are learning only. So write it this one. select. MISSTHSS, okay. Finished. But why Oracle Corporation giving a what this syntax set of characters they are giving? Why they are not giving a what string means a beautiful mechanism, this function. Now set of characters are different and string is different. And now why they are giving a what curly braces set of characters is a syntax means up to this one simple, but unfortunately here, why they are giving means through the examples you are understandable. Suppose here, this is a table is their best example, easily understandable. Select star from EMP. In this table, I am taking a what job is a column, easiness purpose, job is a column I am taking. In that job only clerk is there, salesman is there, manager is there, so analyst is there, so many jobs are there. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out here, I'm giving a what like this. Select, okay, fine. Here job, okay, now I try to display. Job from EMP means automatically those jobs are displayed. Okay, fine. Yes, here clerk, salesman like this. But in this clerk only, I want to remove C. Yes, left side C character is there. I want to remove. Yes, possible. Now how can I just observe here? Select statement side, not update. Now here observe here. Here L trim off. Here, which column within a job column, which character I want to remove? C is the first character is there. I want to remove. For example, my interest purpose. Now I am writing like this. Check it out here. Now I try to execute this one. Yes, here clerk is transferred into where? Lurk only. Very good. Here clerk is converted into where? Lurk. Clerk is converted into where? Lurk. What is lurk? I don't know. Yes, clerk, lurk. It will display or not? Yes, here. Okay. Up to this one, okay. But unfortunately, suddenly, why I'm telling this one means observe here. Suppose I am using a what? A CS I am writing, for example. CS means I am also, you are also thinking, oh, CS is a starting string is there. That one only removed. You are thinking, no. Not only the CS starting string, but also either C or S is a first character that is also removed. That's why this is called set of characters. Very important. Individual characters wise, it will be checking the server. This is different. CS means either C or which one? Yes, is a starting character. That's why observe it here. Now check it out. A beautiful mechanism. Now here clerk and lurk only. Here salesman is there. Salesman is automatically converted to where? Salesman. Okay, like this. What is salesman? I don't know. So now salesman is there or not? Yes, here. Very good. Suppose in this case, now tell me anybody. Now you are telling only. Suppose CSM I'm using. Yes, what is the meaning of this one? Very good. Either CSM is a starting string, otherwise either C, either S, or M is a first character. That is also removed. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Yes, here. Suppose clerk is converted into where? Lurk. Salesman converted into where? Salesman. Again, manager is converted into where? Manager is there or not? Yes, here like this only. Manager. What is that manager? We don't know. So now here is just entertainment purpose only. Manager. It will be there or not? Yes, that's why whenever suppose so many fellows are telling, okay, so now asking only, Murli sir, you are telling a what? Yes, either string or single individual characters, either C, either S, either M. It is removed in this example. You are telling okay, but both the things at a time is possible. Suppose both the things are either CSM is there, either CL or okay, both the things at a time possible. Suppose here, now check it out, that type of things are not there. Suppose here, now I'm using a what? Job is there. CL I'm using. CL means CL starting letter also it will be removed. Otherwise, either C, either L. Both the things are available, both the things are working. That is the beauty. Now, suppose here CL is a starting letter. Yes, clerk, that is also removed or not? CL is a starting letter. CL, it is removed. ERK, it will display or not? That's why always set of characters, why they are giving a Oracle Corporation means either individual characters also, it is removed only when we are specifying a string. That is why set of characters they are giving. Write it this one. Example is the best way. Write it example fast. clerk, salesman, manager, right? Okay, R trim also write it. R trim means right hand side remove, no? Yes. R trim. This is not, I am telling only okay, so just definition I am not telling because the opposite, no, usually you are thinking it is used to remove specified character on the right side of the given string. Otherwise, you are interested to write means write it fast. Simple. It is used to remove specified characters on the right side of the given string. On the right side of the given string. It is used to remove specified characters on the right side of the given string. Okay, na? Syntax is not required. Directly I am telling only how can I, one example is enough. R trim, right side trim, simple. Suppose here SS, MI, SS, TH, SS, any string I am using. Now I want to remove yes, no, from dual. Automatically right side as well it is removed or not? Yes, here. This yes, where the right side is there, that is removed only. SS, MI, SS, TH is displayed or not? Yes, simple. Now I'm copying this one. I try to execute. Here like this, automatically this one displayed. Write it fast. Up to character functions, nothing is there. Data nodes, very important. And now finished? Yes, here. But unfortunately, nowadays, trim is there in SQL Server, MySQL, DB2, in these all databases, trim is there. But Oracle 8i version is there. In that version onwards, trim also there in a Oracle. Okay, this is ANSI standard concept. Write it, trim. Side rating, this is I want. Trim. Now write it, some definition write it. Oracle 8i introduced. Oracle 8i, 8i means version, okay. Oracle 8i introduced trim function. Oracle 8i introduced trim function. Oracle 8i introduced trim function. Okay, na? Now very interesting. This one purpose only I am starting what this R trim, L trim. Now you are telling me it's really great, really great. Suppose in this case, L trim means everyone telling what is the output? MI, SS, TH, SS. R trim means what? SS, MI, SS, TH. Okay, in this example. Now trim, anybody guess it? Trim. What is the output? What is the output? What is the output? Trim means what is the output? Yes, very good. Yes, here trim means what is the output? What is the output? Very good. Here MITH is the wrong answer. So many fellows are here only mistaken. So many fellows are thinking, oh, maybe Murlis are telling L trim means left side specified character removed, or R trim means right side specified character removed. Trim means totally, oh, whatever character you are giving, all the sides it will be removed, middle or left or right. They are thinking impossible. Wrong one. MITH not a correct answer. Actually, yes, trim means only it is behaves like a combination of L trim and R trim. Only it removes right and left side specifier character. That's why SS is removed here, left side and right side only SS. Not a middle, but middle also, anywhere also I want to remove that one means next replace function is there. That is important. That's why replace is different. That's why I'm telling you before replace this one only. And now here, these answers you want means replace function. But here, observe here, yes, here, that is a wrong answer. MISSTH. Particular character, particular string you have to remove means in a future replace function is there in every database. But here, this is a LTRIM and RTRIM combination. That's why MISSTH is the output. Okay. Yes, keep it in mind. But unfortunately, I am copying what this query, it won't work. Query not working, logic okay. Why? Because yes, this is an ANSI standard function. That's why syntax is totally different. That's why olden days syntax in a character remove, in a string remove, I want to use it means it won't work. It will give us a what error? Maybe anybody having idea in MySQL, SQL Server, DB2, those persons are well-known persons in a trim syntax. That's why these type of oracle wise I am writing means it won't work. In this case, it will give us a what error. But what is the syntax means? That's why syntactically good knowledge is there in a way, experienced person side, pressure level, don't worry. Just logic observe it here. What is that one means? Yes is a character here. From is a clause is there. They are giving only. That's why character or string from, that is a string only. This is a different syntax. Don't afraid only. Because this is ANSI standard syntax. All databases copying what this syntax only. In this case, working. Yes, here. Observe it here. MISSTH is there or not? SS in the middle also it will be there. That's why trim behaves like a combination of LTRIM and RTRIM. But unfortunately, this is the latest function. That's why better to know this one also. And only it is a combination. Okay, na? Yeah. So, and another thing is there, I will tell you syntax different. Write it. Oracle 8 I introduced a trim function. Write it. It is used to remove. Write it. Theory write it. It is used to remove. It is used to remove left on the right side, right, on the right side specified characters. Okay, na? Syntax, right? It totally different syntax. Trim here within the bracket, single quotes, character, string, character, write it because syntax they are giving like character. From is a clause is there. What is from? Don't ask. From is a clause is there. That's all. Here, string is group of characters. Yeah, write it. This is a different syntax. Some fellows are asking Murli sir, I want to use a +1, -1 in a where LTRIM, RTRIM. No, not working. Why? Because that is not returning a number. Okay, because these are predefined function, whatever functionality they are giving, just you have to learn. Nothing. We are not changing only. Okay, yeah. Finished. Trim character from string only. One example, write it. Then extension I will tell you. This is very helpful in a very replace side. That's why. Up to date functions very easy, but date onwards most powerful. That is the first important class. Date insertion, toChar, toDate, so many functions are there. Up to this one very easy. Some fellow ask Murli sir, I want to remove only one S. No, not possible in this case. Okay, yeah. That's why you are using a coding queries, okay, not direct functions. Completed. One function I want control goes to where? First character, first one substring we are using. Within the substring only LTRIM we are using is possible. But directly not possible. Combination of function within another function Nested strings means, sorry, nested function means possible. Okay, yeah. That's why interviewer asking this function. Very good. Next, finished? Okay, now observe it here. Suppose you are a 2021 latest programmer. You are a latest programmer means you are not interested to learn a L trim and R trim, I think. Why? Because most of the programmer ANSI standard they are interested, they have an idea trim function enough. Why? Because nowadays trim is highest performance and also trim function works in all databases, same similar syntax. That's why what they are telling ANSI standard, we can also convert a trim function into L trim and R trim they are telling. Yes, possible. That's why so many latest programmers are well-known persons, L trim, R trim, and trim only in a database. Okay, sorry, trim only they have an idea. L trim, R trim, they doesn't have an idea. Latest programmer. Why means observe here. Now you are interested. You are. I am a latest old and programmer means I know these L trim, R trim, old and projects. But nowadays so many fellows are trim function converted into L trim, a trim function converted into R trim. Simple technique is there. What is that one? If you want to interested to convert a trim function into where L trim means simple technique. In this syntax, okay, you are a latest programmer. Then just we are using a what? L trim means leading is a clause, we have to type it. Simple. Leading is a clause, something. Leading means maybe first, no? Yeah, English meaning only. Leading is a clause we are using in front of the character means in a trim function that behaves like a L trim. Observe it here. Yes. SSM, SSMI, SSTH, SS is there. No, in that one, SS is removed or not? Yes, simple. Suppose you are interested to convert this trim into where R trim means how can I? Just we are using a what in place of this one. Right side means in English meaning which one? Trailing. Trailing is called last only. Okay, na? Trailing is called whenever we are using a trailing clause that is converted a trim into where R trim. Yes. SSMI, SSTH is there or not? Yes. But unfortunately, so many fellows are now here. So many fellows are unfortunately, so many fellows are using a what in a both the things are now here. Yes, remove means just they are using just they are using a what. Both they are thinking that is wrong one. Why? Because both they are giving also I am not interested to sell. Both means I am also, you are also thinking this one removed, they are thinking no. So now it is the combination of L trim and R trim. Middle it does not remove. That's why with both, without both, same. And now here, yes, here, no use. That's why I don't use any both, only both keyword they are giving also, that is an optional. And now you are using or not using also, server is taking a what, both only. That's why I am not using. Okay, na? We can also convert L trim trim into L trim, trim into R trim by using a what? Leading and a trailing clause. Simple, no? Leading means first, trailing means last. This is also better to know. Write a note. Write a note. We can also convert. We can also convert trim function into L trim by using leading clause, whereas we can also convert trim function into R trim by using trailing clause. By using trailing clause. Trailing clause. Okay, na? Now these examples, write it. This is there in not only Oracle but database, but just easy. Latest concepts, no better too. L trim, R trim, nobody asking because these are very easy only. Only substring in string combination queries, translate and replace interviewer questions only. Next. Then only dates, all the things are important. Fastly write. Otherwise, this leading and trailing underline. Completed? Yeah. But unfortunately here, anybody C, C++, Java, these type of programmers are there. They're well-known persons in a way. Trim function in a normal languages front-end side also there. Those persons are telling what if you want to remove spaces, then also we are using a what trim. They are telling yes, same like a front end. Remove spaces purpose also we are using a what a trim function possible. But in that case, from class syntax you don't know also not a problem. Olden days concept through also possible. Anything also working, but most of the time from they are using. But I am using a what olden days concept. Write it. Write a note. I'm showing you practically, but first write a note. By using trim function, we can also remove leading comma trailing spaces. Leading comma trailing spaces. We can also remove leading comma trailing spaces. Spaces also we have to remove. And now check it out. Concentrate here. How can I means? Now here check it out. Here slowly observe it here. Select. Don't write it. 1 minute. Just I am writing a trim only. Here from class we are using also working without from also. Suppose single quotes we are writing here A, B, C. Here, okay, single quotes I am writing. For example, from dual. Yes, first and last spaces, not a middle spaces. It is removed. But unfortunately, it is removed or not, I'm confusing. Why? Because it is not visible in a spaces only. If you want to test means just here, we are using a what? Length is a function. Just in place of trim, here we are using a what? Length. Length is a function we are using means automatically, yes, including spaces also it will be displayed or not. Maybe 23 is a length. Suppose here in this case, in this example, oh, maybe so many spaces are there, only 3 characters are there. Now, just I'm using a what length of here trim I'm checking. Here trim through I'm checking. Whenever trim through I'm checking means yes, length is how much? Spaces are removed or not? Yes, that's why what is the length? 3. Very good. And now here that's why, oh, maybe whenever we are using a what, so now here this one automatically 3 it will be displayed or not. That's why anybody asking a what trim is removed a what spaces possible, but right and left only possible, not a middle or not anywhere. Okay, yes, that is a drawback in a way in a Oracle side, SQL server side, DB2 side. But how you are rectifying this problem in a spaces, in a character, in a string remove means next replace is a function is there. Okay, na? Yeah. So now here write it. Select anything space ABC in a space, write it from dual. ABC it is displayed. Now test it. Testing. Completed. Okay, up to this one is enough. Small thing today. Now here, tomorrow there is no class, but unfortunately, wait only. Now here, yes, here. Monday onwards, we are combining about 5 and 6 batches only add-on batch. That's why Monday onwards, your classes, actual classes only, main concepts we are telling only in that one. Here, 5 p.m. to here 7 p.m. Okay, your timings 7 or 6:30 p.m. Okay, fine. For example, maybe first time you come ready. And now here 6:30 p.m. already. Okay, some people are classes are there 6:30, otherwise 7. Okay, now they are sending a what? Another ID only. Link ID they are changing because we are combining our both the batches because we are spending more time because important concepts next onwards. This much of 1 hour is not sufficient only. Okay, now here Monday onwards, up any classes are not there means you don't have any class means 7. Otherwise, some fellows having classes means 6:30. Okay, yes, here. But they are sending a what? Another link only. Management sending another link to you. Check it out. Okay, yes. Okay, now here. Yes, next in this batch, another fellows are 6 o'clock. They are attending. No, today 6 o'clock batch also is there. Okay, tomorrow also there. Okay, don't worry. Monday onwards, all the persons are same timing. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow class is not there in 5 o'clock. Okay, yeah. Monday, they are sending a what mail ID 5 o'clock onwards. Monday, our class. Okay, yeah. This class is there no 5 to 6 you are attending. No, yes, that class is Monday onwards 5 to 7. Okay, they are changing a link. They are giving only. They are sending a link. Don't worry. Link ID they are sending to you in a mail or anything. Okay, yeah. Okay, Monday will continue because they are changing. Okay, yeah. 6 o'clock, some fellows are attending. No, that batch is there today. 6 o'clock also there. Okay, yeah, don't worry.